Welcome to Nine Lions Residences. My name is Mark Lamb, I'm the Commercial Director. And welcome to Marbella, where it's very, very hot today. Normal sunshine, we have 300 days of the year of lovely sunshine in Marbella. We want to show you our development. It's something unique. 53 apartments with all sea views, all south facing and high qualities. And we take you on this journey today. We want to show you around the pool areas, everything we build. We'll go into some apartments and you can see the high qualities that we've put together. As you can see, we're now in the outdoor pool areas. We have 3 swimming pools, 2 outdoor, 1 indoor. This is our biggest pool. This is 25 metres long. Fantastic kidney shaped pool. Lots and lots of area for the sun deck chairs to go on, sun loungers here, and just have a lovely glass of wine in the afternoon. And it gets the evening sun as well. And it's got a gorgeous view across to all the blocks of Nine Lions Residences. As we walk through the pathways of Nine Lions Residences, you can see it's gorgeous with all the hundreds of different styles of plants that we have. We have an old olive trees over there, it's over 65 years old. And right at the very top of the pathway, you can see cypress trees as well. We really try to incorporate the stone, the rock, to make it so natural on the project, and the pathways you can walk round in the afternoon or in the evening when the sun cools down. We're now in the beautiful spa club with the gymnasium, the indoor pool which is heated all year round, and we've tried as much as possible to use huge tiles to give that vast space. We also have the steam room and we also have the sauna, and behind us is the techno gym, and this is just a great place to come even in hot weather, just to come and cool down and have a swim, and it also doubles up as well. And maybe a couple of months of the year when it gets just a little bit cooler, to come in here and have a lovely swim in the heated pool. The gym to me ticks all the boxes, from where if you want to do weights, you want to do cardio, it just has every item. We listened to feedback before we designed this to what people would like to use. And even on people who maybe want to come in and do the running machine, you can connect on to your Facebook, Instagram, YouTubing. There'll be music in here, self background with the television in the background as well. It's just a lovely, lovely area. As you work out, you're looking out onto the swimming pool area as well. We're now in the centre of the development, and this is the 21-metre pool that will be heated in the winter time. Obviously we'll not have to heat it in the summer because it's lovely, and at the moment it's probably about 85, 86. Gorgeous, and the outlook behind me there is down to Marbella, which is stunning. We designed this with glass all the way along, so when you're sitting on there and the sun loungers looking out, you have a fantastic view. We're now in Penthouse 431. This is like a villa in the sky. You have 400 square metres of living space and outside terrace. On 2 floors, private elevator. Again, all the qualities of Nine Lions Residences, underfloor heating throughout, air conditioning. It's just a gorgeous apartment. And to top it off, you also have 4 parking spaces as well. It's just an amazing, amazing apartment. 3 bedrooms and 3 family bathrooms as well. And also a utility side area, full gorgeous kitchen, and it's just a stunning, stunning apartment. As you can see now, we're in the dining area, and it's all been designed to be open plan, so you can look out to the gorgeous views down to Nueva, Andalucia. We're in the heart of the Golf Valley, so if you have views of the golf course. And as we go from the dining room into the kitchen area, the kitchen is just, it's truly amazing, from the big style American diner fridge with the freezer, the wine cooler, the Gaggenau appliances, the oven, the microwave, the dishwasher. Has everything you would need for a family living here. It's just truly breathtaking. And as you're cooking, preparing food, you have the amazing views down to the sea. In the penthouse now, we're in one of the bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. And you can see part of the design that we do. We have lots of closet space. Lighting in the closet space, you have hanging space, drawers, whatever you would need. And as well, it just enters into this lovely bathroom area where you have the standalone bath. It's just gorgeous, and the views as well, right down over Nueva, Andalucia down to Marbella. When you come into the master bedroom, to me, it's just so big. And in the morning when you're waking up and you're looking out there and the view is so breathtaking, it's truly amazing. Gorgeous bedroom this, it's really big. It's got the aspects out, the views. You've got the 2-meter bed here, and it doesn't even take up any size of the bedroom. Floor to ceiling 2.68 meters, which gives you that real height and vast size. Underfloor heating, just a really lovely room. We're now in the top floor of the penthouse. This is a gorgeous terrace bedroom, and it's got amazing views down to Marbella.